It's step 31, Scribbles. And for those of you who do not know, step, I'm referring to sculpture. Ta-da! Turn around. Video, or, well, episode. So, this is Scribbles. If you've been to the channel Crowne Pince, you should know who this is. She's a dog. She talks about anime. Well, the mascot's a dog. The person behind the mascot is most likely a human being, although I suspect furry. She talks about and shows different animations that people have made, and she does her best to explain to us, the viewer, what makes an animation, how the animations are done, and these are the techniques, this is how you do it, and so on and so forth. So she has this enthusiasm about her, which is just infectious. I mean, when she sees a video that she loves, it's just like, oh my goodness, I have to share, I have to share, I have to share. I've really enjoyed her channel, and so I thought, you know what? What's the best way to show my appreciation, other than clicking the like and the subscribe? Hint. Is to make a sculpture of her character. So this is Scribbles. She is a dog. She has a nice swirl pattern on the tail, which I did sculpt, but I had to highlight with the blue. Normally the tail just has that fade in. But yes, it's actually sculpted. Can't see it. Blue tips on the ears, just a little bit of head hair. There's normally fur coming off the side, but she draws her character in 2D. I'm sculpting in 3D. There are limitations. I'm only so good. I managed an interesting effect this time. With the Blender's new principled shader, I was able to set up the roughness of the character equal to the value of the color. So you can see it here on the nose. Because it's a darker color, it has a smoother texture, or a smoother feel to it, and it's got some reflection to it. Whereas on the body, where it's white, there's more like fur, matte, dry fur would have. And like the inside of the mouth, even. Let me get in here. Hum nom nom. Hum nom nom. Yes, I know I didn't do all the teeth. And I borrowed these teeth from a different model. Anyways, same effect here with the roughness. This is just one vertex layer. I just put in some black around the rim of the mouth because some dogs have that. Most dogs, maybe all. I don't know. Didn't use any reference pictures when I made this. But it looks like a mouth because it's all slimy and and wet in there, like your mouth should be. If your gums are dry, see a dentist. There's something wrong. So just the little things you notice. The eyes, since I'm explaining things, are elongated spheres, ovals, I believe they're called, with a little bit of a bump where the pupil is. And the eyelids, at least the top, I didn't bother doing bottom. I could have just copied these, turned them around and put them down there, but I figured top was enough. These are half ovals that are just put in, and see she can change her expression. Yeah. Now she's angry doggo. She's like, why did you do this to me? I need lower eyelids. You should have given them to me. So, or like, I'm sorry, don't go away. Oops. Hold on. I'm sorry, don't go. Yeah, this is a fairly functional 3D model. I mean, you can animate the front paws, you could animate the tail, the head, the upper body. The legs are one solid chunk, and I just used a little bit of shading and sculpting to kind of make them look separate. So this model would be stuck in a sitting position unless someone fixed that. And I'm not too sure about how correct the anatomy is down there. I mean, from the back it looks fine, but you know, the lower legs look a little bit ploof. So, anyways, this has been another step episode. I'm not going to bother doing the matte caps because the matte caps have changed. There's new matte caps. I prefer just to show off the model in all of its beauty. And this has been Scribbles. Go check out Crowne Pince's channel and watch Scribble Kibble. It's a lot of fun. You'll enjoy it. You'll like it. I promise. Or maybe not. Never mind. I have no viewers anyway, so no one's going to hear this. Thanks for watching.